It's Marty again, and today we're in the backyard and we're in the Areca palm tree section, which has been growing really wild because I'm waiting to get enough money up probably for Christmas to get a little tiny one of those hand saws so I can go down and actually sever the root on the bottom of those things. So I'm not going to go crazy until I can sever the root, because once I sever the root it'll go back to cleaning up what it was. But the reason I'm here is I noticed as I was walking by the other day that the orchid plants that I was planted here a few years back are actually going crazy, blooming. And as you can see from right here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 stems actually getting ready to put out pretty little orchids. And let me just get over here and a little closer. Oh, there you go. There, right in there is another one. And that's why a lot of people, after they bloom, for some reason, say to me, oh, here's another one. Look at this. Just look at that little puppy. There it is. See it? They throw them out for some reason. I have no idea why, but if it makes them happy, throw out. Keep all your garbage. Is my new supplies for the garden already. And we just put them in there and just let Mother Nature take care. Normally I put them into the, over there. I had them in Bismarcky. I have 2 other plants that my daughter Stephanie got from a Christmas display that they throw them out after the display. And they have them over there. I have a hanging pot with a sort of a pothose plants hanging there. But let me just get back to the orchids. They were rather striking. I didn't put any fertilizer. I don't go crazy, but it seems like the blooms are a little smaller. So I guess I'll have to investigate what to use for a fertilizer for this little puppy, because it looks like Mother Nature is lacking the enthusiasm. But I'm sure it's competing within the Areca palm tree. Not for air or anything else, because it's just it's competing with space. So I don't know if the lack of sun is getting to it or what, but in the meantime, we're just enjoying what we're looking at here. And just please like the video, subscribe to the Already channel, so we can keep on bringing you all the plants that are growing in my little corner of the world. Thank you. Bye-bye.